The day began with such promise. And now look. My sea monster is dead.
You stole your father's armor, ran away from home, impersonated a soldier, deceived your commanding officer, dishonored the Chinese army, destroyed my palace.
And we sentence you to die.
But there's just one little thing you have to do.
Pour the tea.
Just how do you expect to do that?
I'll show you. I take my position, face my fears, and hold my ground.
How about holding your breath?
That's the master plan!
Exactly.
That's what I like about you. So, I'm going to let you live.
But this is gonna cost you another diamond. Rescues aren't part of the usual tourist package.
I hope you can get your money back.
I'll make sure Arthur gets it back. Or gets it in the back.